So this video we discuss how to create equal signs with the two dots above and two dots below. So for creating this symbol in your Windows computer, you must open MS Word, that is Microsoft Word, and after that you must remember this keyboard shortcut Alt 10871. Okay, I'll show you how to create this. After opening MS Word, you must go to your computer keyboard and turn on the number lock. So if your number lock is off, you must turn on the number lock. Now you can see an Alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this Alt key. Don't remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 10871. After typing that, you can release your finger from this Alt key. Now you can see that the symbol have been arrived. So we have created this symbol using keyboard shortcut. Of this video helps you. For more videos you can subscribe and stay with Engineers Web Online. Thank you.